Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach right here at Nonstop Money TV. And today, what I want to share with you has a lot to go with what's going on in the world right now, you guys. I want to talk about the coronavirus lockdown. I want to talk about all the rioting going on. I want to talk about unemployment. And I want to give you a solution to break free from all of this so that you can put money in your pocket so that you never have to worry about collecting another paycheck again, so that you can literally live a life of freedom and spend more time with your family, watch your kids grow up, take them to sports, spend more time with your spouse, whatever your hobby is, whatever it is, whatever you really want to do in your life to absolutely set you free. The solution is in this video. I found it about a year ago, and I've been searching for it for 15 years, wasting so much time, so much money. Understand one thing, you guys. You're searching for something legitimate. I know because I've been there, and I know what it's like to start from the bottom, and I know what it's like to be searching on the internet and just, through all the scams and all the stupid stuff out there on the internet, and just I want to show you what's real, what's honest, what has integrity, and what is a step-by-step blueprint that if you follow, and if you have the motivation, and if you can stick with it, and if you cannot quit, that you can absolutely break free, fulfill your dreams, and live a life of complete freedom. If that's you that I'm talking to right now, then this video is for you. I'm going to share a few things in this video that will change your life today. So let's get straight into this. I want to share a couple things with you real quickly here that can dramatically change your life, because you're going to need two things to have a life of financial freedom where you never have to worry about money again. And these two things are so important because they're the foundation and they're the structure of everything that you need to succeed to be wealthy. First and foremost, you need to understand the first thing, and that is that you have to change what's going on inside of you so that you can become the person that you need to be to attract the wealth that you desire. Now, one of the ways that I do this is I changed my routine, everything that I do every single day, because I 100% absolutely want everything that I'm talking to you about in this video. That's how I know it's true. That's how I know that it works, you guys. About a year ago, I made a decision that I was never going back to the way that I was living before, that I was going to change, that I was going to learn what I needed to learn, that I was going to stay motivated, that I was going to stay focused, and that I was going to find what works step by step that would show me exactly what I needed to do to create passive income, to create my own online business. Now, one of the things that I do to change my mindset every single day is I follow people that have motivational quotes, that are wealthy, that have what I want. If you want or desire something, put yourself around, befriend people that have what you want. If you can't actually hang out with them, then friend them or subscribe to them, follow them on social media, and take that in every day. Feed your mind with it every day. Turn off the TV. Yes, it's good to watch a little bit of news to know what's going on in the world, but don't consume yourself with all the junk that you're seeing on TV. If you're playing video games every single day for 2, 3, 4, 5 hours every single night, that is where you're wasting your time. You need to focus on food for your brain that can absolutely change your mentality, because just like Tony Robbins says, and I might get this wrong here real quickly, but it's simple. It's basically where your focus goes, your energy flows. And what you focus your time and your energy on is what you attract into your life. So you need to change what you're focusing on. All the negative, crappy thoughts, all the negative people in your life that aren't encouraging you, that aren't pointing you towards your dreams, that don't have what you want. I'm not saying they're bad people. I'm just saying they're never going to set you free, and they're never going to get you where you want to be, right? You have to encourage those people to do what you're doing. Now, focus your time and your energy on quotes, positive things, people teaching you how to become wealthy. Copy, replicate what successful people are already doing. Now, check out this quote right here. I wanted to show you this on my Instagram feed. This is stuff that I look at every day. I follow people on Instagram that have positive quotes. Now, it says right here, this is so very powerful. Don't blow this off. And this is on Business Mindset 101, by the way. Credit to them. This isn't something that I came up with. It says, today I will do what others don't, so tomorrow I can do what others can't. Now, you see the guy here. He's sitting here working on his laptop. You can see it's Saturday. It's about 1 o'clock on Saturday. What is most people doing at 1 o'clock on Saturday, right? Maybe they're at the beach. Maybe they're outside skateboarding, playing video games, whatever. The people that are serious about creating success and financial freedom sacrifice, maybe a year, 2 years, maybe 5 years. If you could give up 5 years, maybe it's only 2, right? If you really hunker down and you have a plan, maybe you sacrifice, you grind, you hustle for 2 years so that you can have a life of freedom for the next 50, 60 years, where you live a life of complete freedom with your friends, your family, doing hobbies or whatever it is that you enjoy in life, collecting passive income, you guys. So first and foremost, understand that you're going to have to hustle. You're going to have to manage your time better. Maybe you go to work and work every day, and then you work on your business after work. Maybe it's earlier in the morning. The great thing about having your own business is you can work it when you want, when you have time. Just understand, the more time, more energy that you focus on it, the faster you're going to get results. So spend time on your business. And if you don't know what that business is yet, don't worry, because I'm going to show you right here in this business, right here on this video, step by step, exactly what you need to do to succeed. Understand one thing, you guys. I know exactly what it's like to be in your position, in the sense that to have a dream and to want to break free. I'm going to be honest. I don't know what it's like to, lose a job, or to lose your house, or some other really crazy, scary things like that. But I do know this, that if that's going on in your life, you have the most motivation right now to use to skyrocket to success, because that's your pain point. That's your why. And that's what's going to get you through. That's your hustle. That's what's going to push you through the roof if you use all that pain and that frustration to provide motivation to not quit, to not give up. So use that, you guys. Now let's get back to this over here. I kind of got a little bit off topic, but this guy's friends obviously are out here hanging out at the beach, right? Well, what happens 2 to 4 years from now? The guy that was spending all of his time not wasting it playing video games or hanging out at the beach or watching a bunch of stupid stuff on TV, maybe movies that have little value. Now he's sitting on a yacht, and his friends are over here shocked on the beach because they don't know how he got here. That's because he used his time wisely, and he listened to successful people, and he implemented the same strategies that they were doing. Now let's get straight to it, you guys, because my goal in this video, like I said from the very beginning, is to help you make the most money this year, to absolutely explode through the roof. Now I want you to check out this tweet right over here by P. Diddy. Now, if you don't follow P. Diddy, you should, because the guy has a ton of great advice. He's an entrepreneur and all kinds of other great stuff, creating music, and he's a businessman. And check out the goals that he says right here, or what he says right here on this tweet. He says, set some goals, stay quiet about them, smash the hell out of them, and clap for your damn self. I love what he says here, because it's so very true. Set some goals this year and go after them 100%. Don't quit. Hustle every single day. Smash the hell out of them, and then clap for yourself. Stay quiet about them. Why do you stay quiet about them? Because when you talk about them, everybody around you that doesn't really want to see you succeed is going to constantly be tearing you down. So stay quiet. Smart, successful people don't talk all the time. They stay quiet because they know their dreams. They know their goals. They know where they're going. They don't need assurance from somebody else that doesn't have what they want. So I wanted to leave you with that. Now, if you need a plan and you need to know how to succeed. What is the plan, Chad? How can we do this? Here's where it gets good, you guys, because this is what took me so long to find some honest people with integrity that could show me how to build a business online step by step. Check out the top link in the description of this video. It's my #1 recommendation 100 times over. Cannot recommend it enough, you guys. This is no joke, no scams here. Check that out. Click on that link. When you do, it's going to bring you to a page. It's going to ask for your name, your email address. Put that in. It's going to bring you to another page. Click on the red box and get signed up now. Today, take action. 99% of the people that succeed take action. That is so important, you guys. Just take action, consistent action every single day, and start building your dreams. Now, when you do this, it's going to bring you over to this page right here, and you're going to get signed up for a 15-day business challenge. Now, this gentleman right here, Mr. David Sharp, his story is incredible. He's absolutely changed my life. This guy right here practically almost died. He was a drug addict. He had to get clean, and he worked construction 9 hours a day in the hot Florida sun. He'll tell you about his story and everything, but he absolutely changed his life because he got around the right people and he got around the right information, just like we're talking about right now. Now, if you want to have your own successful online business up and running in the next 15 days, this is where it starts right here. As you can see right over here on the side, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and it's telling you step by step exactly what you need to do to succeed. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do, sorry, let me see if I can move this here. The first thing that you're going to want to do when you arrive here on day 1 is you want to click right here where it says schedule now and reach out to your coach, your own personal coach that's going to help you accomplish this 15-day challenge. And it's so important to have a coach, you guys, because just imagine if you were going to the gym, right? You would want a personal trainer, someone that told you what to eat, how to work out, so that you could get the best results the fastest. So that way you're not going to the gym, lifting the wrong weights, eating the wrong food. And they're also going to help you stay motivated and bring out the best in you and tell you what your strengths are and how you can succeed the fastest. By the end of this 15-day challenge right here, you will have your very own online business up and running where you can start generating literally thousands of dollars a day. Now, you're going to make $1,000 a day right up front? No, I'm going to be honest with you. You probably won't. It's going to take some hard work. It's going to take some motivation. But this path right here laid out for you right over here is legit. It is so legit. Check it out. I don't want to sit here and try to sell you on it too much, you guys. I just want you to understand the truth. So come check this out. Get signed up. Make sure that you pay attention to Dave's story right here because he's just like you and I. He started from the bottom, and there's so many other folks out there on the internet that you're probably watching every single day that started their journey right here on Legendary Marketer. This is where they learned it all and built their business. So if you want to get started fast, this is where to do it. That's all I have for you guys today, my friends. I hope you found some encouragement. I hope you're doing well. I hope you make a decision to empower yourself today and, choose a life of freedom where you get time back on your side, quit your 9-to-5, and live a life of absolute freedom. You can do it. I believe in you. If I can do this, so can you. Give it a try. Give it a chance, you guys. Take action. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Hit that bell notification. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up. That's super important. It helps to get this video out to all the folks in need right now that need to hear this information. Make sure you drop me a comment if you have any questions, concerns. Just check in. I really appreciate it. Even if you just type "make money online," show me some love, you guys. Support this channel and help to get this information out to as many folks as we possibly can. Even share these videos, you guys. Share it with your friends, your family, somebody that you know that needs to create a life of freedom for themselves right now. Help some folks out, you guys. That's all I have for you today. I will see you guys in the next one, and I hope to see you doing well. Peace.